Welcome to Lilliput TV channel. My name is Daichi Gomei. Today, I'm going to introduce you to our product, Lilliput Q7 7-inch field monitor. The Q7 was released in early 2016. This 7-inch field monitor has a full HD 1920 by 1200 resolution. It also comes with 3G SDI input and output, as well as 1.4 HDMI input and output. The SDI and the HDMI has a function of cross-conversion capability. On top of the device, here we have the menu scroll button, an exit button to go back, an F1 and F2 function button, and an input button that switches between SDI and HDMI. Here on the side, we have the power button. Right on the bottom, here we have the 3G SDI connectors, the earphone jack, input and output HDMI connector, and a DC 12-volt cable connector. You can set up your F1 or F2 button to easily access your favorite function. In order to save the function to F1 or F2, first you press and hold until a selection appears. Then you dial to your desirable function and press down onto the dial to select. Now you can press on the function button to quickly access your desired function. Here's what we have in the following menu. Press down on the menu dial button to select. Here's the picture menu. We have most of the features as any other monitor here. Here we have the color temp. Right here you can select anywhere from 5500K to 9300K. We also have a user option which you can adjust accordingly to your likes. In the marker option, we have the center marker which places crosshair in the middle of the screen. Aspect marker that puts a margin according to the size ratio. A safety marker that puts a border margin from 80 to 95%. We have a marker color that can be selected between red, green, blue, white, and black. On marker mat, we can darken the color outside of their aspect margin. The higher the number, the darker it becomes. And we can choose the thickness of the marker margins here. And this is a function option. Over here we have scan, aspect, underscan, horizontal vertical delay, check field, zoom, freeze, and 3G format. We also have a DSLR option, which will only appear on an HDMI input. And this is a waveform option. Over here we have waveform, peaking color, peaking level. It's counterintuitive. You need to have it lower the number to make it appear. False color, exposure level, histogram, and timecode. This is the audio option. Over here we have volume control, level meter, and audio channel. The audio channel has up to 16 channels. And lastly, this is a system option. Over here we have the language, which consists English and Chinese. Next, this is where you can turn on your HDMI, SDI cross conversion. And then we have the color bar, OSD timer, image flip, backlight, fan, we have low and high, and it will turn on when the device becomes heated. And then we have the reset, which will reset everything into factory default value. These are the accessories that are included in a box: folding sunshade cover, HDMI AC cable, shoe mount, VESA battery plate, and up to 2 battery plates. The default battery plates are Sony f970 and Canon LP-E6. Then we have battery plate bracket, 12-volt DC adapter, and a manual. And this concludes our video for the Q7. If you want to have more detailed specification of our product, click on the link below for more information. Any other questions, don't hesitate to comment us below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can, or give us a call at 1-888-608-3088. We also have many more amazing products to show you. Please also visit us at www.lilliputweb.net. And if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe.